So hi, it's me, Mark Angelo Galvez, and I am from Bachelor of Science in Civil Engineering 1E. And this topic is all about addition and subtraction of vector. So addition and subtraction of vector. Vector addition has a bigraphical and bicomponents. So bigraphical, in general, vectors are added graphically or bigraphical according to the following rule. Vector is defined by magnitude and direction regardless its location. Vectors by components. Vector can be expressed in terms of their horizontal and vertical components, which is x and y axis, respectively, and another way to add vectors is to express both of them in terms of their horizontal and vertical components and then add them together. So let's go for example number 1. What are the magnitude d and the direction angle theta of the net displacement for the treasure hunt? In this example, we use vertical, horizontal for magnitude and for direction. So first, for vertical and horizontal, a sub x equals 3.75 meters cosine angle of 90 degrees is equal to 0. The b sub x is equal to 2.25 meter cosine the angle of 0. So the bx is equals to 2.25 meter. So for our cx equals 3 meters cosine the angle of negative 45 degrees. So our answer will be 2.12 meter. So for us to solve dx, we just need to add a sub x plus b sub x, then add c sub x. So let's do the math. We just need to substitute the answers for a sub x, b sub x, and c sub x. So for a sub x is equal to 0 plus b sub x is 2.25 meters, then plus c or 2.12 meter. So our answer is dx 4.37 meters. So for our ay or a sub y equals 3.75 meter sine angle of 90 degrees. So our answer will be 3.75. Then for our b sub y equals 2.25 sine. In our a sub y, the sign was changed. Not like in a sub x, the sign is cosine. So 2.25 sine degree or angle of 0 is equal to 0. So c sub y is equal to 3 meter sine negative 45 degrees or angle of 45 degrees is equal to negative 2.12 meters. So for us to derive the dx, so for us to derive dy, so dy equals, just like in the dx, we just need to add a sub y plus b sub y, then c sub y. So, substitute the givens. 3.75 meters plus 0 plus negative 2.12 meter. So, dy, add the ay plus by plus cy. So, the answer will be 1.63 meter. This is the answer for dy. So, for magnitude, we have here d square root of this dy squared plus dx squared, or the Pythagorean theorem. So, substitute d square root of 1.63 meter squared plus 4.37 meter squared. So, the answer will be 4.66 meters. So, for direction, we have angle theta equals inverse tangent quantity of a sub x over a sub y. So, substitute angle theta equals inverse tangent 1.63 meter over 4.37 meter. So, the answer will be angle theta equals 20.5 degrees. This is the answer for the direction.